Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Could have been worse. Road rage on a whole other level.
A few moments later.
This driver had to almost pull over, and I got the middle finger that I deserve.
The legislature did was find a loophole. That loophole was if they could start tying a piece of money to legislation, citizens couldn't veto it.
So Ari, let me get this straight. The Michigan legislature found a way to nullify the people's vote to get rid of the emergency manager law? It was crazy.
If you use this stretch of Huntington, you've seen this happen.
Whoa.
What is it? What happened, Papa? What happened?
That person was going the wrong way.
So someone was going to...
This guy has his own personal lane. Where did that bus come from? Why can't people be careful? What do you think happened here? This truck driver didn't give way to anyone. Always make sure to check your surroundings when pulled over. On the empty 3-lane road, 2 drivers that could not share the left lane had an accident. Sudden stall in traffic caused multi-vehicle collision.
12 seconds later.
This idiot driving on the wrong side of the highway crashes into multiple vehicles, including a semi, leading to a massive crash. This driver in Toronto speeds through construction zone to avoid traffic and crashes. That must have been the best car to get into a collision with, honestly. I checked my car DVR once I got home just to make sure I wasn't an idiot. Was the bike at fault or not? This idiot doesn't know what safe following distance is. Let's run 2 red lights in a construction zone. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.